Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting an OCR tool you already have, your phone camera with live text, Google Lens, OneNote, or desktop preview. Make sure the image is sharp and cropped so text fills the frame. This improves accuracy dramatically. Once opened, tap or click the text recognition or scan text command to begin. You'll see the tool highlight lines. This is the app identifying characters. Follow prompts to switch language or recognition mode if available, because that optimizes results for specialized fonts or non-English text. You now refine the selection so you copy only the text you want. Drag selection handles around specific lines, columns, or blocks. Once the OCR runs, choose the correct language or recognition mode if you see odd characters. This helps with accents and symbols. Preview the extracted text in the editor pane and correct obvious mistakes inline. OCR can confuse L and 1 or O and 0. When satisfied, use Copy, Export, or Save as plain text to move the cleaned output into your document or clipboard. You finish by pasting the copied text into a plain text editor to remove hidden formatting, then reformat for your use. If you spot errors, retake the photo at higher resolution, fix skew and lighting, or try a different OCR engine. Switching from automatic to manual selection often improves results. For many images, batch OCR or saved preset speed repeat work. If nothing helps, use human transcription for critical text. OCR is fast, but sometimes accuracy needs a human eye.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.